Good morning, you guys. We are having a Monday motivation productive day in my life today because I know we all need it sometimes, and it's so important to just have like these days where you just kind of like find the motivation for yourself, and I want to vlog it so that you guys also get motivated. It's been a crazy couple of weeks for me, honestly, and now that we're in a new month, I really thought it would be a good idea to film this today. I just got up, and also my weighted blanket has been something that has helped me so much with my sleep, and sleep is like the first step. Getting a good night rest, 8 hours of sleep, and setting downtime for your phone has been, well, for my phone, setting downtime is a good thing that you guys need to do. So basically I don't go on any of my apps from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. I struggle falling asleep, so if you also do, check out like getting a weighted blanket. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new here. My name is Brianna. I'm a lifestyle creator here. I do lots of vlogs and things like that. The first thing we're gonna be doing is journaling because it's just a good way to start your morning before you like get up. I love this little section that has my book, my other journal, and then my 5-minute journal. My first day having my smoothie in so long. I want to start making these again and like switching my routines up when it comes to like breakfast, so I'm so excited. It tastes so good. I'm actually gonna get ready because I'm gonna go shoot some content. I need to take some pictures for Instagram, so I'm gonna get ready while I drink this. This is part of the first outfit. This top is from Forever 21 and then jeans are from H&M, and I haven't done a slick bun in so long because my hair is so dirty, like I just need to put it up.
Save me, I've been missing lady luck ever since she started hating. I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? Racing by one way.
So nice out today. It's literally 70 degrees. Alright, I'm about to shoot outfit 1. Even though it's so freaking hot out, I'm gonna put on this little trench coat situation and take the first pic. Guys, look at these. They're beautiful. Obsessed with the color. There's one thing about me, Nike Dunk Lows are the most comfortable and like my favorite shoes, honestly. Alright guys, all the outfits are complete, or all the pictures I should say. We did 2 outfits, and then I had different concepts that I wanted for each outfit, so I ended up taking pretty much like 4 different photos that I'm going to be able to post. And now we're going to head to Trader Joe's because I need to stock up on some of my favorites. The goods from Trader Joe's. Most of like my new or just overall must-haves, these I've become obsessed with. They're the almond croissants. You guys, they're unreal. Try them. Thank me later. And then I picked up avocado. I always get the mini ones because I just feel like they're better, honestly, for like my eggs or my avocado toast, and they come with like a bunch in a bag, so I always pick those up. I got some lemon so I can do like lemon waters because I ran out. I got plantain chips, just like my household honestly favorites. so I picked that up while I was there. I got flax meal because I use this flaxseed meal. Ground flax better than just like the whole one because it doesn't like really grind up. And I use this for like my shakes or when I do the oatmeal in general, like hot. I also picked up some carrots just to honestly snack on. Carrots are good for you. I don't know what is in this bag. And then I picked up some mandarins, and then I picked up turmeric shot. They don't have any ginger, but turmeric is also really good for you. And normally another one of my essential or like must-haves is the sourdough bread, but we have like another bread in my house and I don't want that one to go to waste, so I was like, I'll get it next time. Trader Joe's little haul, grocery haul, must-haves. Let me know, comment down below some of your Trader Joe's must-haves. I'm always looking for like fun things to try. It's been a long time since I've made an iced latte and it's so yummy, you guys. This day definitely calls for it. Practically 80 degrees. And right now I'm gonna put my glasses on, get some emails done, and what I'm gonna do after emails, I do have like work to do and stuff like filming. That's gonna be after. I'm gonna do emails, and then I like to get into like when I'm finding motivation or I need some like inspiration, I like to watch like other YouTubers that I like and watch their content. So I'm gonna do that right after my emails and like while I finish my coffee, just to give me some extra like boost of motivation and just obviously show support. I like to do that. So I find this time, like if I watch one video or like 2 short videos, then I'll get into like my work after, and then we'll also make a to-do list. I just made my to-do list for today on Notion. I just love the layout of it and it just is super aesthetic, super relaxing. It just like makes everything seem like kind of fun in a way. Romanticizes the experience so it's not just like, you know, miserable. So here's the rest of the things that I need to complete for today. But first I'm gonna eat some lunch just so I can get some energy before I'm gonna be doing a lot of filming. Alright, I'm trying to block the ring light from reflecting onto my glasses, but this is just like the best lighting. Anyways, just ate lunch and now I'm about to film 3 UGC videos. So if you guys do not know, I also do user-generated content for brands, for ads, and organic usage where I don't post. So I have 3 that I need to film, and honestly, not that I've been putting it off, but it's kind of like last week is a little bit of a slow week, you know, the beginning of the month. So I was waiting for products to come in and things like that, but now I'm gonna get to filming 3 of them. I already planned out the concept, so it shouldn't take me that long. Tripod is me in the back, but also I'm drinking lemon water. Sent in one video, on to the next. Alright guys, a little while later, I had my dinner, I did my work, and I thought, you know, since I'm going to be doing some cleaning out of my closet, I thought I would make myself some tea. This is just some black tea, decaf, and I thought we would make the vibe a little bit less stressful and less annoying because honestly I don't want to do this right now, but I have to because my closet has probably been something that has definitely added to my stress because it's a literal tornado. And to be honest, I just need to clear it out and stop having the mindset of I'm gonna wear this, it's cute, you know, like no. And I'm definitely the type of person when it gets super messy and I'm like rummaging through it for outfits, I'm like, okay, like when I want to wear something again, I'm just literally like hoping I remember where I saw it last. Like that's how bad it is. And we're gonna listen to music and do this. I'm only gonna do sections at a time, so I'll probably do like the first 2 sections only, just because it's gonna take me like the whole night if I do the whole thing, and I'm not ready for that type of commitment. So let's get started. I literally wasn't kidding when I said it's an absolute tornado, especially when I'm figuring out outfits for content. Plus I need to make room for new clothes that are coming, so stay tuned for 2 different hauls. But yeah, it's like a tornado the whole thing, but we're working on these 2 sections and I'll donate whatever I'm not wearing. You guys think I have enough jeans? Alright guys, so the first shelf is done, and what I did, which I kind of am here for it, so I have back here like work pants from when I did my internship in school, which is just like dressy pants, and then back there I have like, I guess I would say like skinny jeans, stuff that I don't wear as often as say these jeans, but I did side by side and it fits perfectly. It's gonna close perfectly. And then back here I have like biker shorts, like some like leggings that I don't wear too often, pretty much stuff that are just like throw on randomly. I'm still gonna keep my joggers here. I got rid of like a couple that didn't fit me anymore, I don't wear. I have little tank tops that I also had here before here, and I have like a whole lot of laundry to still do that has like my regular black leggings that I wear like weekly that'll go right here. Now let's do the last section for today. Hey guys, these two are now folded and organized. Everything has a home. We got some sweaters in here, long sleeves, a couple more of like long sleeves and things like that back here. We have mainly short sleeves in this section, some extra like miscellaneous tank tops and things like that, PJs, and this pile is going to be donated. This angle is very different, but as you guys saw, I just took out my yoga mat, and I was gonna do like a yoga or Pilates class, and we didn't go to the gym today. Today's kind of like our off day, but I wanted to get just like some movement, and I like to do that sometimes and just like switch things up for my body. And I love Aloe Moods. I use them a lot, and I do like a guided meditation with them. As you guys saw, they have like a really wide range of different workouts, different instructors, really great. But my legs have like that tired feeling because I've just been doing a lot all day, and that's like my sign when I do a lot, like my legs get like these tired aching pains. So I thought, you know what, let me just do a meditation, because right after this I'm about to shower and then kind of like head to bed. There's nothing like taking your hair out of a bun when you had it slicked back all day. I just read like 3 chapters of It Starts With Us. So good. I need to put some Aquaphor on. I'm gonna head to bed. I'm like so tired. I had such a productive day, got everything off of my to-do list done, and I'm ready to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Monday motivation productive day in my life. I know sometimes it can be hard to find motivation, but I feel like today just really like helped, honestly, especially like cleaning like some part of my closet. Just little things like that truly make a difference. So make sure you guys like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe, share my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video.